What's up, everybody? We got some bad news. Quad will not stay running. If anybody knows what this is, because I really don't know. Not that. Hold up. Give me 1 second. Just listen to this. It will shut off. Think I know what the problem is. We're either out of oil, which I did just check, and I don't think we have any, or this happened once before. My kill switch is even off, actually. No, kill switch is not off. Huh. I think I know what's happening. So let's dig down. I'm motocross boots and my feet really hurt. I'm not even wearing motocross pants. My brother's out riding. I said he's 10 minutes to fix this, and I should be back up and running. Just gotta take a few plastics off and mess with wires. So it's basically I don't remember what it's called, but wrong. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace. Hopefully I can get it fixed. If anybody knows really anything, just write down in the comments. Peace. A little update. I kind of went a little full crazy mode and started taking everything apart. I'm on it, so let's show you what it. So this is what it looks like. The airbox is clean. I'm gonna start it up and show you what it guys sounds like. Bad news, it will not start. So it wasn't this box down here. That's all together. I'm guessing it is the carburetor. Actually, how hot is the motor? I'm gonna take this casing off real quick and see if anything is wrong under there. So, catch you guys in the next one. Little update, I have done nothing. I did clean it off. I did take that casing off. Nothing. But I'll probably make a video tomorrow about it if it's not raining. So see you guys a bit later. I'll probably do all these videos tonight. Peace. See ya. Bye.